ACL's Workforce Scheduler, WFS, is an automated constraint-based AI planner tool to create an optimum roster solution in minutes. A total of 17 business rules can be configured by the user. For example, employee availability, preference, shift strength, shift rotation, skill-based rostering, and more. Some of the benefits of the solution are: Workforce Scheduler has ready-to-use business rules required for roster planning. Manual adjustments can be made to the system-generated roster and exported to Excel file. Workforce Scheduler is designed to manage updates like unplanned employee leaves, shift switch requests, and load changes. It can quickly adjust schedules to meet the changing needs of the business. While the customer is shielded from the complexities of the planning process, a detailed analysis is available to understand the driving constraints behind the proposed roster. Every employee's shift schedule is sent as a Google Calendar or Microsoft Outlook calendar request. Any change in an employee's shift schedule is sent as an updated meeting invite to the concerned employee only. Validating the roster is done by using visual checks. The tool alerts the planner for potential deviations from the business rules using color codes. The color code is customizable for both employee summary and day summary. WFS is built on SAP Business Technology Platform (BTP), powered Cloud Foundry, and leverages its scalability, security, and availability. If you are interested to see how this AI-based scheduler works for you, contact us at business@acldigital.com.